So within 18 to 24 months after the development of
from
the breast.
the breast bud
From the
stage.
breast bud stage.
Bilang na bilang.
Bilang na bilang yan. 18 to 24 months. So, alam na nila. Pag nag-umpisa na yung mga anak nilang, kunwari, naglalaro pa lang, tapos may breast buds na, no? Dapat alam na nila, alarman na sila dyan na malapit na maging dalaga ang kanilang anak. Hindi ba pag sinabing puberty, dalaga na yan. Nagregla na yan. Okay? So, yan ang mga 18 to 24 months. So, yan ang mga highlights.
Ibig sabihin ba sa first stage na or second stage or third, naka-beginner's bra na sila?
Correct.
Okay.
Training bra.
Salamat at sinabi mo yun. Kasi meron talagang mga beginner's bra. Excited na yung mga bata.
Yes.
Ay, magbabra na ako, di ba? Gusto na nila yan, di ba?
Pero yung ibang mga magulang, parang ayaw
nagpapanik
pa.
na.
Oo, at saka gusto nila sando pa rin.
Correct. Kaya kayong mga mothers dyan, huwag kayong matakot. At saka, pabayaan nyo lang na ma-experience kasi magbabago talaga ang katawan ng mga anak nyong babae.
Kahit ano
ang tawag doon ay puberty. Hindi na natin pwedeng pigilan yan.
Hindi natin makokontrol.
Okay. So, first stage yan, breast development. The second stage is the appearance of pubic hair. Okay. Simultaneously,
buhok sa ibaba at saka sa kilikili.
Ang tawag doon ay pubark. Pubark. Okay?
Sa Tagalog, balahibong pusa. Di ba?
Correct. Tama. Correct. Okay. So, paano naman din to? Ayan na, yung slides natin, no? So, may stage 1 to 5 din yan. Nag-uumpisa yan, stage 1, para siyang small hair na nagde-develop doon sa may mons pubis ng babae. Tapos, through time, as the breasts also develop, the hair will also start developing. So, after stage 1, you will notice it's going to be stage 2, mas kumakapal. Doon lang sa kalagitnaan.
Gitnang area.
Tapos, stage 3, mas magiging coarse. At saka mapapansin mo, nagiging korteng triangle
na.
Okay, inverted. Tapos stage 4, mas dumadami. Until stage 5, ang buhok is coarse, matigas, at saka kulot-kulot na. Okay. When
this is just for educational purposes,
yes,
mga
educational
kaibigan.
purposes lang po natin to. Drawing lang po to, no? So, as the pubic hair starts developing, the breasts also simultaneously grow. Ang mangyayari dyan, nag-underarm hair development din.
Kasabay po kayo.
Correct.
Habang
Tapos,
yes,
hindi lang yun. Mapapansin na ng mga ina na parang nagkaka-body odor na ang kanilang mga anak.
Kasi dati amoy baby, ngayon
medyo amoy.
Baskil.
Adobo.
Baskil. Basa ang kilikili.
So, ang nangyayari, yun, may buhok na underarm. Tapos yung mga buhok nila sa legs, kumakapal din. Oo, nag-grow. So, yan ang stage 2. Okay. When do you see the pubic hair development? Average 9 years, tapos aabot ng 10, 11, almost the same time as the breast. Okay. The third stage is what we call the growth spurt. Okay. Yan, mapapansin na nila kasi bigla na lang yung mga anak nila na tumatakbo, biglang nagdadapa, nagiging awkward.
Okay.
Because the arms and the legs, they grow longer. Okay, unlike the body, no? Parang una, arms and legs, tapos biglang mag-shoot up ang katawan.
Tumatangkad.
Now, yung growth spurt, mas maagang nagde-develop ang mga babae by about 2 or 3 years than the boys. That's why, kung meron kayong mga anak na babae at lalaki, mapapansin nyo, parang mas matangkad muna ang kanilang si babae. Tapos bigla na lang, hahabol ang mga lalaki. Kasi talagang ang mga babae, mas nauuna silang mag-growth spurt than the men, than the boys. Okay? So, with the growth spurt, importante during this time, okay? This can last for 2 to 5 years as the slide will show there, okay? And ano ba sinasabi nila? Itong growth spurt na to, apektado ba to ng mga genes, ng parents, no? Yes, it is important that at this point, the children or the girls or maybe the boys, they should start exercising, that they should keep fit, they should eat healthily, and importante dito is they should sleep 8 to 10 hours. Why?
Dahil nagpupuyat ngayon ng mga bata.
Kasi, bakit?
Oo.
It is when you sleep that the growth hormones start or are maximized. So you want to choose that peak time, okay? Yung peak time niyan mga 10, 11, 12 years. Kaya yung mga nanay, siguraduhin nyo, wag magpupuyat masyadong mga anak nila. Kailangan natutulog sila at least 8 hours. Kasi habang natutulog, yung growth hormone, umaandar yan. So kung gusto nyo mga anak nyo maging Miss Universe, ayan, patulogin nyo. Wag nyo masyadong papuyatin.
Bawal muna mag-online.
Wag
muna mag-games.
Okay.
At mag-TikTok.
So, ano na tayo? Growth spurt.
Yeah.
Okay. After the growth spurt is the 4th stage, which is menstruation.
Oh.
Okay. When you reach menstruation, that is due to the hormones coming from the brains, stimulating the ovaries, which is part of your female reproductive system, to produce the hormones that are needed. Now, it will occur anywhere from 10 to 16 years of age. Okay. It is important to emphasize that itong mga babae will go through the developmental stage and then will end in their puberty with menstruation. So when you talk about puberty, it's a moment in time. The end of puberty, okay, is the menstruation. Yes.
So kung wala ka pang menstruation ng ganyang edad, ano ang
yun ang problema.
Okay.
That's why may 16 years old tayo na sinasabi
yun ang maximum.
Yun ang maximum. So, okay, let's go through the slides, no? Not all girls will experience the same time, no? Na everybody will go through it, but not at the same time. Okay? Just tandaan niyo yun. Basta pagdadaanan natin yan. Okay. Why do we say that menstruation is important? Because pag nag-umpisa na magregla ang isang babae, kailangan intindihan ng mga nanay na pwede na silang mabuntis. Okay? At that early stage.
Kahit nag-uumpisa pa lang.
Yes. Because the uterus now, which is the part of the female reproductive system, will respond to the hormonal changes.
Okay.
So it is at this point that the mothers should be very careful. And yung mga kababaihan, pag nagregla, feeling nila may sakit sila. No, it is a sign of health. It is a sign that you are growing, you are maturing. So it is important to understand that menstruation is a sign of health.
Yeah.
Okay? Now, let's go through, if I can show my slides. Okay, can you pass on?